Hello and a very warm welcome at Housey. I'm Kaushiki and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Lodha Altero located in Wakad, Pune by Lodha Group. So in this teaser, we'll be discussing about the project overview, the location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount and much more. So we'll be discussing a lot in details, but before that, let's get to know what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, whereby if you do an inquiry, your data is shared with a lot number of brokers and thereby resulting in n number of calls. But Housey में ऐसा नहीं होता है, because Housey में आपकी listing brokers नहीं builders करते हैं. इसलिए यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream house today directly with the developers through Housey. So before getting to know about the details, let's get to know about the surroundings. So जैसा कि आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं, ये लोधा ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट का सेल्स ऑफिस है एंड इसके जस्ट पीछे इनका लैंड पार्सल है. We'll discuss the project overview. So the project is constructed on 2.7 acres of land parcel having 3 towers with ground plus 37 floors. Having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residences. अब हम बात करते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट की लोकेशन की. तो आप मेरे राइट हैंड साइड पर देख सकते हैं that this road connects you to the Nashik Fata and on my left hand side you can see that this road takes you to the Wakad Hinjewadi. और अब हम बात करेंगे इस प्रोजेक्ट के पास जो भी लैंडमार्क सिचुएटेड है उन लैंडमार्क्स की. So this project has Mumbai-Pune highway on 1.4 kilometers of distance, Phoenix Mall of the Millennium at 2.3 kilometers of distance and D-Mart at 2.3 kilometers of distance. So now talking about the amenities, Lodha Altero project has 30 plus luxurious amenities with the likes of swimming pool, gymnasium, multi-purpose court, children's play area, yoga and meditation area and many more. So now talking about the carpet area, Lodha Altero project has premium residences of 3 BHK which you get in 1100 to 1250 square feet, 3.5 BHK जो कि आपको मिलता है 1300 to 1500 square feet and उसके बाद आता है 4 BHK के फ्लैट्स जो कि आपको मिलते हैं 1550 to 1750 स्क्वायर फीट के एरिया में एंड उसके बाद हमें लास्टली मिलता है 5 BHK के फ्लैट्स जो कि हमें मिलता है 4000 स्क्वायर फीट के पेंट हाउस में. So now let's discuss the offers and booking process. So the project booking window is open now. The client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details along with the booking process. They will also tell you about the pricing and the payment schemes. Along with that, they'll also provide you the sample flat too. And then if the client likes it, they can proceed with the further booking process. So ladies and gentlemen, this was the teaser of Lodha Altero located in Wakad, Pune by Lodha Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.